Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about this portable 2-inch mini thermal printer. This is so cool, and I just got it from Jaden's and they asked for me to review it, so I want to share it with you guys. I am absolutely obsessed with this little gadget. It is so cute, so adorable, and it's such a game changer. It's a mini sticker printer. I love that it's small. It's only 2 inches and it's portable. You charge it with a USB cable. It's so compact, you can carry it in your back pocket or in your purse or wherever you go. So that makes it super convenient, and it doesn't use ink. It's inkless. So that is just so cool. There's no more worrying about running out of ink or buying expensive refills. It uses thermal printing technology, which is both cost-effective and environmentally friendly, and it's easy to use. Setting up is a breeze, so it comes just like this, and then you have the USB cable that you charge. You place it right in here, and you can use this with your smartphone, and it uses Bluetooth. All you do is download the app, which is Print Go, and all the instructions are in the box, and they are very easy instructions as well, which I definitely appreciate. You can power it on just by holding this for 3 seconds, and then you see the light. When you charge it for your first time, you'll see that this is red, and that is just letting you know that it's charging. And there's a button right here on the top. So if you press that, it opens up. And then here is the ream of paper. So it looks just like this. I just love that it's just so tiny and compact, just adorable. And it works awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and print something for you and show you how to do it. So once you open the Print Go app on your phone, you'll see what is displayed, and they have different options. You can do it yourself. You can hit image if you want to print a picture that's on your gallery. You can do a templates, and there's just so many different things that you can do. I'm going to go ahead and select template, and we're going to create they have a to-do list, frame, greetings. We're just going to go in there, play around, and print something. Look how cool that is. Nice. That shows up. I just wanted to jump on and share it with you guys as well. I thought this was super cool, and you can also color the images, so that was cool, especially if you have little kids, you want to keep them busy, and they can just color in some of the images that you print out. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.